In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your comments on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Pinterest and sign in to your account. If you don't have the app yet, make sure to download it from your App Store or just go to the Pinterest website on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your home feed filled with all sorts of beautiful pins like recipes, DIY projects, and inspirational quotes. Now, to check your comments, we need to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name, which is usually found at the top of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all of the boards you've created and the pins you've saved over time. Once you're on your profile, look for the tab that says Created. This section specifically showcases all the pins that you have created personally. It's like your little gallery of contributions to the Pinterest community. Click on that tab. Now here's the exciting part. You'll see all the pins you've created. Find the pin that you want to check comments on. This could be a pin that you've shared a recipe for, or perhaps a tutorial on your favorite DIY project. When you've spotted the pin you want, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Once the pin is opened, you'll notice a dedicated area for comments. Now, scroll down until you reach the comments section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the comments that have been left by other Pinterest users. It's a cool way to engage with your content and see what others think about it. People might be asking questions about how to make that recipe or expressing their excitement about a project, and it's a wonderful way to connect with your audience. If you see a comment that you'd like to respond to, you can do that right from here. Just type your reply in the field provided below the comment. Keep in mind that engaging with comments can help build a sense of community around your pins and encourage others to interact as well. Plus, it's just nice to acknowledge the feedback and inquiries that people have. Once you've finished responding to the comments, don't forget to take a moment to read through some of the other comments shared on your pin. You might discover valuable insights or questions you hadn't thought of before. This can be a fantastic learning opportunity and might even give you ideas for your next pin. To wrap things up, checking your comments on Pinterest is a straightforward process. Just sign in, go to your profile, click on Created, open the specific pin, and check out the comment section. Remember, this interaction can greatly enhance your experience on the platform and may lead to more engagement from other users. So there you have it. You're equipped with everything you need to start keeping track of how your pins are being received in the Pinterest community. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or if you found it helpful in any way, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It not only gives me a little boost of motivation, but also ensures you won't miss out on any future tips and tricks I share on this channel. Thanks for being a part of this learning journey, and happy pinning!